Understanding the phrase, roar of applause, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting and expressive English phrase, roar of applause. This is a phrase you might come across in books, speeches, or even in everyday conversation. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning, but also how to use it effectively in your own communication. So, let's dive in. Roar of applause is a figurative expression used to describe a very loud and enthusiastic clapping by an audience. The word roar typically refers to a deep, very loud, or continuous sound, like that of a lion. In this context, it signifies the intensity and volume of the applause. This phrase often conveys a sense of excitement, approval, or appreciation from a large group of people. Let's break down the phrase. 1. Roar. This word conveys the idea of something that is loud, powerful, and resonating. It's often associated with the sound a large animal makes, but here, it's used metaphorically. 2. Applause. This is the act of clapping hands to show enjoyment or approval. Applause is a common way for an audience to express their appreciation in many cultures. When combined, these words create a vivid image of a crowd clapping so loudly that it sounds like a roaring animal, a testament to their strong approval or enjoyment. Here are some examples to show how roar of applause can be used in sentences. As the curtain fell, the actors were greeted with a roar of applause. The speaker paused, allowing the roar of applause to wash over the room. Her stunning performance earned a well-deserved roar of applause. Notice how the phrase adds a dramatic and positive tone to each sentence. Roar of applause is perfect for situations where you want to emphasize the loudness and enthusiasm of an audience's reaction. It's commonly used in narrative writing, like novels or short stories, to describe scenes in theaters, concerts, or other events. Speeches or presentations, as a way to express gratitude for a warm reception. Everyday conversation, when recounting events that involved an audience's reaction. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, roar of applause, confidently in your English conversations and writings. It's a great way to paint a vivid picture of enthusiastic approval or enjoyment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own scenarios. See you in the next video.